I recently upgraded the Meilocar 45-inch propane fire table to my outdoor space, and I have to say, it's been a fantastic upgrade. The design is sleek and modern, with a beautiful gray tabletop that blends perfectly with my patio decor. Assembly was straightforward, and I was impressed with how sturdy the build feels. The 50,000 BTUs put out plenty of warmth for cool evenings, and the glass wind guard not only looks great, but it also helps keep the flames steady. I also like that it's 3-in-1 design. You can use it as a fire pit, a dining table, or a coffee table just by adding or removing the lid. The included rain cover is a nice touch, although it could be a bit thicker for extra durability. Overall, if you're looking for an attractive, functional, and reasonably priced fire pit table for your patio, yard, or balcony, the Meilocar is a solid choice. It's made my outdoor gatherings so much more inviting, and I highly recommend it. This fire pit table requires a AAA battery inserted into the regulator and in order for it to ignite.